Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to redeem DLC code in a Dress to Impress game app Roblox. Okay, let's get into it guys. Before I show you how we can redeem the DLC codes, I'm going to show you how you can get the DLC code. So guys, you can get the DLC code by purchasing physical merchandise which came with a unique and scannable code, and you can redeem it on your PC. So you can only redeem the DLC code on PC. You can go to the code menu right here, and here you will see the toy code or the DLC code. Okay, you just need to activate this code. Before this update, it's called the DLC code, but now it's called toy code. And after that, you just need to enter your unique code right here and click on redeem. And just remember that you can only redeem it on your PC. This menu won't be able on your mobile or your tablet. Okay guys, and that's how we can redeem DLC code or toy code in Dress to Impress game app Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!